Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kevin's Live here in Dunbrody House. And today we are doing the beautiful smoked salmon omelette. We're in the middle of a photo shoot with RSVP, and it's exciting. So Catherine's actually getting makeup done now, and we're just going to do a few shots here as we're doing this live here for you guys. So, anyways, get your pan on. You want to get it nice and warm. We've got 3 eggs, so just crack those in to a bowl, like so. And I think this is one great dish. Quick supper, busy all day, come home, throw it together, and you have a lovely, nice light supper. Particularly this time of year in June, it's nice and light. Flavors of the smoked salmon is gorgeous. Look at that, just beautiful like so. Okay, we've got a little bit of butter in there. I'm just going to let that melt down. A little bit of cracked pepper.
Is this an omelette for one person or for?
An omelette from one, yeah. So, home alone. There you go.
Would you do an omelette with 6 eggs, or is it best to do 2 omelettes?
Best to do 2 omelettes. The only way you have a shared omelette is something like a tortilla, Spanish omelette, which is good. So, straight in. Egg on. We've got lovely smoked salmon here. Beautiful. Just going to cut that down. What's actually quite nice to do is actually when you got smoked salmon, if you get a little bit of creme fraiche, put a little bit of creme fraiche in there as well, which is quite good. And we're just going to move that around and it starts cooking. You can see we're using a lovely non-stick pan. Particularly with a non-stick pan, don't spend a fortune on a non-stick pan. Buy a decent one and then keep it for about 6 months to a year. And you start to see that your food is sticking to it again, replace it, because it doesn't matter how much you spend on a non-stick pan, there is a shelf life to them. So there you go. You can see there, it's nearly set. Okay, at that stage, you're just going to let it settle. Okay, we've got some lovely fresh chives here that came out of the gardens here in Dunbrody, which are beautiful. And then just run your knife through them, like so. In there. Okay, get your spatula, flip it over like so. And then kind of just roll it back to the back of your pan. You tilt your pan up like so. Perfect. Grab your plate in this hand. Your pan like so, and there you go. The perfect omelette. So, happy days. Thanks very much, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.